Guys, welcome back to our channel Fabulous Food. Today I be making Thai salad with apple, cilantro, orange, cucumber, carrots, and a little bit of red onion. That's all the ingredients I'll be using, all the veggies. And in here I have 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 2 teaspoons of sweet chili, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of rice vinegar, and 1 teaspoon of honey. Anyways guys, let's get started. So in my bowl here I have 1 cup of carrot cut up. It's all shredded. 1 half cucumber, 1 apple cut up here, 2 orange. This salad really tastes good. Half a red onion, and we have some cilantro here. I love cilantro in my salad. It's healthy for you. So I have 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, sweet chili sauce, 1.5 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of rice vinegar, and 1 teaspoon of honey. Oops. Let's mix everything together. So colorful. Check it out guys, looking so nice. Really healthy for you and very easy. I love all the cilantro inside. Check it out, looks so good. It smells good too, the orange and the cilantro and the apple, you can smell it here. Anyways guys, thank you so much. I hope you like how my salad comes out. Really tasty. Have a good day. Bye.